Hey everyone, welcome to MTM Wealth 8. Today I'm not giving you another bullet point list. Instead, I'm going to tell you one single powerful story. A story that contains everything you need to know about finance, ideas, and the hidden psychology of wealth. This is the true inspired story of a guy named Ryan. Ryan was 29 years old, living in Austin, Texas. He had a good job as a software engineer, making $92,000 a year. On paper, he looked successful. Nice apartment, decent car, weekends with friends. But inside, Ryan was quietly broke. Every month, his paycheck came in and disappeared. He ate out 4 times a week, bought the latest gadgets the day they launched, and always told himself, "I'll save next month." One Tuesday night at 2 a.m., Ryan had $1 million idea. He was struggling to stick to his own budget. Every budgeting app he tried felt like a punishment, full of guilt and shame. Ryan realized, what if there was an app that used psychology instead of punishment? An app that rewarded you like a video game every time you made a smart money move. It would track your habits, celebrate small wins, and gently nudge you toward investing without making you feel bad. He called it Momentum. Ryan got so excited he stayed up until sunrise, sketching the whole thing. He could already see it, millions of people using it, changing their financial lives, and him finally becoming wealthy. But here's where the real story begins. The next morning, reality hit. Ryan opened his laptop to start building the app and froze. His brain whispered the same lies most of us hear. You're not smart enough to pull this off. What if you quit your job and fail? You have rent to pay. Successful people are just lucky. This will never work for you. That was money psychology number 1. Fear disguised as practicality. Instead of starting, Ryan did what most people do. He told himself he'd research more. He watched 47 YouTube videos on startups. He joined 3 different Discord groups. He spent $400 on Notion templates and Canva designs, but he never wrote a single line of code. 6 months passed. Ryan was still in the exact same financial spot, living paycheck to paycheck, idea collecting dust in a Google Doc. Then something changed. His best friend, Sarah, who had started a small e-commerce store 2 years earlier, invited him for coffee. She had just crossed $180,000 in revenue. Ryan asked her the secret. Sarah looked him dead in the eyes and said, "Ryan, ideas are worthless. Execution is everything. And the only thing standing between you and wealth is how you manage your psychology around money." She broke it down for him in 3 simple truths that completely rewired his brain. Truth number 1, ideas don't make you rich, systems do. Sarah told him the difference between a dreamer and a millionaire is not the quality of the idea, it's the boring daily system you build around it. She showed him how she scheduled just 90 minutes every single morning before work to build her business. No excuses. Truth number 2, your money personality is controlling you. Sarah made Ryan take a quick test. He discovered he was a spender avoider, someone who avoids looking at his numbers because it feels painful. That single realization explained why he had $38,000 in credit card debt, even though he earned well. And truth number 3, wealth is built in the gap between inspiration and action. She said, the moment you feel excited about an idea, that excitement has an expiration date, usually 48 hours. If you don't take one tiny action in that window, your brain kills the idea to protect you from failure. That conversation was the turning point. Ryan went home that night and did 3 things that changed everything. He opened a brand new Momentum Fund, a separate high-yield savings account, and put his first $500 in it. That money was now legally forbidden to touch for lifestyle spending. He committed to the 90-minute rule. Every weekday morning from 6 to 7:30 a.m., he would work only on the Momentum app. No research, no scrolling, just building. And he told 5 close friends about the idea and asked them to hold him accountable. Public commitment is one of the strongest psychological hacks. Fast forward 18 months. Ryan had quit his job 6 months earlier. Momentum had just crossed 87,000 active users. He had raised a small seed round from angel investors, and the app was generating over $42,000 per month in recurring revenue. Today, Ryan is worth over $1.2 million on paper. And the best part is, he still uses the app himself every single day. The crazy thing is, the idea never changed. What changed was Ryan's relationship with money, ideas, and his own psychology. So here's the question I want you to ask yourself right now. What idea have you been sitting on for months or even years because your money psychology is holding you back? Maybe it's starting a side business. Maybe it's finally investing that $5,000 sitting in your checking account. Maybe it's learning how to build real wealth instead of just surviving. The truth is, money is simple. Ideas are everywhere, but wealth is 90% psychology. If this story hit you, and I know it did for a lot of you, do these 3 things right now. Drop the name of the idea you've been sitting on in the comments. Write it. Make it real. Hit the like button if you want more deep storytelling videos like this. Subscribe to MTM Wealth 8 and turn on the bell, because every week I'm dropping stories and strategies that actually move the needle. If you want the free Momentum Blueprint PDF I created based on Ryan's exact system, the 90-minute rule, money personality test, and first 30-day action plan, just type Momentum in the comments and I'll DM it to you. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. You're not here by accident. You're here because you're ready to change your financial story. This was your host from MTM Wealth 8. Stay smart, stay consistent, stay wealthy. I'll see you in the next video.